Box cover, this is DuttyBerry and welcome to a brand new social media countdown. Oh, and by the way, happy Black History Month. Now let's get to it. Number 10, Yui proposal. So Valentine's Day is our come up, and ladies, you see, whatever you are doing, do not argue this when a man try to put a ring on it.
Sir, go on the already now.
My girl say, you know, she said the 2 hours still at tech bus. Since the video dropped online, it went viral in less than 24 hours. People start to share it. People are this the youth say him is a wuss, and people are cuss off the girl that she was just too mean and too harsh to the poor young man. But to bingo bangers, story come to bump, and it was revealed that the entire video was just a prank. And I mean, you forgot blame. When I must go blame Jam Bros TV. See the interview with them there.
I was just thinking to myself that, you know, how would the people react if somebody was to reject a proposal? You know them old school one knee business there?
No, in Jamaica.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah, it was pretty much. Because we really want to like the real raw reaction from people.
Asa, all is well that ends well. Number 9, Car Man. So speaking of girls, when I want a man with a tech bus, vlogger 20 Prince, vlogger 20 Price released a track. No, not a track like what Twisha wear.
Anyways,
a track as in a song called Car Man.
The girl them want care, man. Where boss I go? She hear from she fuss I go. Then she look on me and see a Benz upon. She said ti wanna na. Where us I go? Care, man. Where boss I go? She hear from she fuss I go.
Pull up! Man, like every other vlogger these days, I turn big artists like Prince Pine.
You see me girl them fi carry gas pan.
Rum One.
Your turn. Alright, next.
Bella Blair.
good dance, goodie. Yeah. Good girl, goodie.
And our big bestie, Die.
Two can play that game. You love me.
Oh god, I'm so messy for that. But yeah, the song catchy for true. Number 8, Sean Kingston. This is Alkaline. No, burritos, but honestly and truly do not hard care about this story. I'm more concerned about Alkaline in a custody. But I guess since you don't want to hear about it, I have to just tell you now. Box cover, so musician Sher Kingston is coming off a little disloyal after visiting the island recently and sending high praises endorsing the Gaza boss Vybz Kartel.
You see we do some song with some Arab boy, a musical set. One Kartel and the boss from 2000 and from the corners with them man, let me see them man, a real legend.
When just a few months ago, he seemed to be very much a part of Team Vendetta. All the music video with him. No sir, they tune their body now. Boy, Sean Kingston, them say bros before hoes, but you make Chris Brown have to go do the remix. These bros ain't loyal. Number 7, Sheet Sheller. Miss Center Table. This your brother need to be a jockey a came on a track. Really though? Just pre. Wait there, not the same brother this from the Blood Off video and from the Kartel Fever vid. Okay, yeah, I am. Press play. The brother of the girl them line off like sleeping police on road. You know, like when you play Nintendo game and you have to fight off the little scrub stem and the little lower level them before you can get to defeat the team leader. Yeah, that is what this was like. Round 1, fight! And they're thundering down the street with a furlong to go, but this look, Jackie, look. Bomba! Round 2, fight! And it is look, Jackie, look, and it is coming around the bend with a furlong to go, but look who is coming out of...
Finish her.
Yes, he did it, and the crowd goes wild. Woo! Yeah, woo! The youth, shell. And now check out the random video of the week.
Yeah, man, boss pastor me.
In the name of Jesus, stop it, right?
And now this is the shoutout segment, the big up segment, and more have to say big up to 19-year-old Jamaican footballer Leon Bailey and signing for Bayer, how it pronounced? Remember?
Hey, my name is Leon Chippy Bailey. I'm very happy to be at Bayern Leverkusen, and I hope to see you all in the Bayer Arena of Edison. Bye.
On that same break, more have to say big up to the song Walla Walla by Black Fox, Rhyme Minister, and Straight E. Check it out.
Walla 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 me a walla inna that. Be a gyal a holla inna that. Gyal a walla inna shorts and a walla inna frock. That me want to walla inna that.
Number 6, Wagwan Panda Gully. Me mula breadfoot. This happened. You know what? Just watch.
There was high drama on a section of Halfway Tree Road.
Then drama can low.
Following a police operation involving a group of homosexuals living under a bridge.
Oh God. The brother boss me say earlier to box foot.
In your face.
My word.
But the men who live in the gully say they are not to be blamed.
So I know the thief.
No, we could have thief.
No, sir, boy, this messy bad.
And even missiles being thrown at persons.
Wait, what? All the journalists get attacked?
And some of them came very close to me and started taking up stones and dirt in their hands. And they started flinging it at me. Flinging it.
A journalist said, flinging?
Flintstones, beat the Flintstones.
I joke here, Miss Simmons, big up yourself. Then them go ask one of the men what kind of work them do.
We work with honest bread out here.
What kind of work you do?
And here what Shady TV J say.
The actual response to that question cannot be played on air.
Okay then. Number 5, Alkaline. My word, my sentence, my paragraph. So this Caucasian dancehall artist called Extreme Fiery went viral after he posted a video dissing the Vendetta boss.
If Alkaline try and get him head shell out, I coulda in a town or on them corner. Man rise up in 12 gauge double mouth. Him this the word boss and him take the man style. But me never learn nothing still. Him too blood lies, him too bad mind. You know see the boy damn red eye.
Yo! The brother went hard. Or maybe it is just impressive because him white. I don't know. But to be honest though, he isn't the first non-black artist to get popularity in Jamaica. There was Snow, Alberosi, Gentleman, and the great Yellow Man. Oh God, I'm so messy for that. Big up yourself, yeah, Yellow Man. Number 4, Sher and Nikki reunite. Nikki and Sher. Sher and Nikki. Want some peace and love now. Some little orb, some little shake, and some little we can work this out. Yeah, there's something there. Alright, so here what? The two of them did book for a show in London from way before the one bag of drama got start. Zine. So since everything go escalate and people are cuss people and all of them something there.
Tune in for Married, all of you Marvin at talk about Sher Nickeisha them.
So now to the actual thing. Both of them, they're on the same stage. Conscience are perform. Them done book already, so them have to work with each other. Conscience are coerced both of them to talk back to each other, but Sher and Nikki was just like, come on girls, teamwork makes the dream work. Bring it around town. Oh well, it was good while it lasted. Then the peacemaker Conscience decided to stage an intervention while on stage. No, tell the truth, people. This no look very primary school to you. Man nah play with her. Man nah talk to her as she first. And you see all the way I go on, the two of them miss each other, you know? And now, ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you to a special segment of Hot Shots of the Week. So, Titchfield High School went fairy tale style in making their annual yearbook photo album. Check out the pictures, them. Number 3, Mannins or Mannins. Me box foot. So Big Mannins was our on school challenge quiz against William Nib when they were asked this particular question.
Information technology. In what year was WhatsApp first released?
And here all Mannins answered.
Mannings.
WhatsApp. 1947.
No, it's 2009.
A moment of silence for that answer, please. You see the fact that they actually deliberated and one of the team members them said 1957? Yeah, that just made the entire thing epic.
1947.
But in all fairness though, I understand the kind of pressure where them people up on the team, where them go through, them study a particular thing, and them brain just kind of zoned in to everything where them swat. And yeah, right about now, me can't really talk because my dearly love school, Exeter High School got 0, but me I represent for Aggie Animal all the way and don't care, yeah. Number 2, taxi driver caught off guard. My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my portfolio. Triple X, why must R be so awful? So Triple X, a comedian, dancer and selector, was there in New Kingston a walk around when him buck up a taxi man parking in New Kingston right at one gas station in a one deep dose of box foot sleep.
I'm there so in the middle of New Kingston. Party hatch. What's that now? I find a taxi man there so I speak bass, speak all that jump.
Oh, Papa Jesus, I feel the spirit.
Bass, speak that jump. Let me tell you something. That's when you're ugly, sir, know you. You can't sleep anyway.
Triple X, you see, if I didn't make this shame, so I would have malice you till Kartel don't serve him 37 years of sentence.
Please, more.
But we just not understand how does one sleep with their mouth twist up like the giddy house over Port Royal?
Instagram, I really don't like what I'm going right now, so I feel like the planet of the hips.
Oh gosh, man, so picture this, the man in the belly, I'm sleep, silent night are going in my mind, but it wasn't hard to be for long.
Wake up, man, and get up out, get up, man.
Oh gosh, man, oh gosh, the man I feel bust a double take. Me done, me give up. And number 1 goes to Spider Walk! Whoa! Yeah! My word, my phrase, my box foot claws. So what is 2017 without a new dance for the ladies them? Nothing, apparently. So here what day me dey online and mind people business when I came across this video of this young lady doing a very interesting dance called the Spider Wine.
Catch up like a spider in a wifey house.
Me dress a draw. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout.
When me do the wine, yeah, it must be dash you out. Pokeball, go! Show them the one you use, take a girl man, do the spider pop. Timer, show them how we do spider pop, do the spider pop.
Me sheet spread. I am officially lost for words. Rosie, me need backup.
I dare you before my maiden take and me never see it yet.
You can't imagine, you're there one nice party and you just see all of the girls them start to do this at the same time? I wonder what would that be like? The closest we ever got to something like this was some years ago when there was a dance called Walk Like a Dog and Cock Up and Piss.
Walk like a dog and cock up and piss.
But fun and joke aside, I caught up with the dancer. Yes, I have links on them somewhere there. I caught up with the dancer. Her name is Out and Bad, and this is what she had to say about this entire dance.
Yeah, my people are Out and Bad Tasha talk. Mo be a bad dancer. Everybody want to know about the spider thing, but I just come up with the spider idea because me create enough other dance and other people run with it. So me just slow it, give them, and try to find something creative for myself. Me no mind the comments on the share what it get because it help promote my dance. She bought share my video and in friend them talk about a bag of things about what kind of dance that and rare and blah blah. But I expect some people to do better than that because all I artists them get bash. All I dancers them get bash. Destiny, big up yourself, you're my artist. And you are help push my career right now. And negative comment, me just tell them thanks for the shares them. Cause right now me think on global amount of shares and comments and likes what I get. I'm if you tell them about it. If you don't want to see more spider video, just check out my page Tashana Bowland on Facebook, my IG page Out and Bad Tash the Dancer or Out and Bad the Dancer, or check out Destiny page Destiny QOP. Click in our bio for hear the full song. Can go on the YouTube same way. DuttyBerry, big up yourself. Me not have nothing much to say. I just thank everybody for sharing my video. Cause right now we are going with a bag of things on the internet all over the world. Lady Gaga now, me see the spider.
Alright, out and bad, thank you so much for the little chat. Enough respect. Well, that's it, peeps. Thanks for watching another Dirty Berry social media countdown. Make sure that you like, you share, you comment, and you please subscribe. Thank you for the support, burritos. I love you. Big up the whole owner from the Caribbean. Big up all in Europe, all in Africa, who they everywhere. All Antarctica, I have fans, polar bears, and them something. There, if you want to contact me, it is at DuttyBerryShow@gmail.com. If you want to email me and book me and these things, I do MC and all kind of something there. If you want to advertise on the countdown as well, it is DuttyBerryShow@gmail.com. Social media, it is at DuttyBerryShow on Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, yeah, everywhere. Alright, take care. Until next time.